Token burning rate and technical indicators against Shiba Ino. How long does the downward trend continue? Shiba Inu, the second largest memecoin by market capitalization, is facing strong bearish pressure, and several technical indicators are confirming this bearish trend. With the market entering the correction phase due to the drop in the price of Bitcoin, the token burning rate of Shiba Ino has decreased by 61%, and its transaction volume has reached less than $400 million. One of the main reasons for Shiba Inu's growth in recent years has been the implementation of an aggressive token burning strategy by the community and developers of this digital currency. Since its launch in August 2020, the Shiba Inu ecosystem has burned a total of 410.7 trillion tokens from its initial supply of 999.9 trillion. However, new data from Shibburn shows that the token burn rate has dropped by 61% in the last 72 hours. While this drop has caught the attention of the market, recent data shows a 470% increase in the token burning rate in the last 24 hours. In addition to the drop in the token burning rate, Shiba Inu's trading volume has also decreased to $379 million, which indicates a decrease in investor interest. This is usually a sign of a further price drop in the digital currency market. Various factors have caused a sharp decline in Shiba Inu market indices. Bitcoin's fall below $100,000 has caused extreme volatility in the entire market, with memecoins, including Shiba Inu, the hardest hit. Additionally, the U.S. trade war with China, Canada, and Mexico announced by Donald Trump has put pressure on the cryptocurrency market. After this incident, the price of Bitcoin fell and other digital currencies, including memecoins, began a downward trend. Currently, the price of Shiba Inu has reached $0.000015. This price drop is caused by declining technical indicators, decreasing investor confidence, and general market fluctuations. The moving average curves of this cryptocurrency are also in a downward trend, and its relative strength index is in the range of 31%, which indicates a relatively neutral situation. New reports from Into the Block show that Shiba Inu has strong bearish signals. After a 30% price drop in the last month, this memecoin has not been able to recover its upward trend. CoinMarketCap data also indicates a continuous price decline in recent days, with Shiba Inu falling 20% in the past week and 5.5% in the past 24 hours. Also, the data shows that 57% of holders of this cryptocurrency are in losses, while only 47% have made profits.